Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांना तुमका येवकार माझ्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर म्हणतात तुम्ही सगळी बरी आसतली साऊथ आणि भलायकीन. So today I am going to show you all how to make Goan Dudyachi Bhaji but with a little twist. So first thing we have to cut this dudhi. Now this dudhi I purchased it for 60 rupees whole dudhi, and I am not going to remove the skin out of this dudhi. It will be along with the skin. I'm going to cook this. So first we have to take out the seeds and cut is how you want to cut. So I'm going to cut it in a cubes along with the seeds, and then I will be cooking this. I will take around 2 cups of water for the entire dudhi, add salt, and then I will cook this separately and keep aside. So you have to cook this only for 5 minutes with 2 cups of water and little bit of salt in it. This seed I am going to use it later for some other recipes. So wash it nicely and then you have to dry this, sun dry. We also need some grated coconut. Okay, so here is the water where I have cooked my dudhi, and this I will be using it as a soup or something else. So we also need 3 capsicums for this recipe and some around 6 green chilies, but these are very spicy, so I will try to use it only 4. Very spicy this chilies are. Darker green chilies are always spicy, so I will be using only 4 green chilies, but if you want more spicy you can add more chilies. Then I'll be using 1 pod of garlic, whole garlic, along with the skin. I will crush it and use it. So you have to finely chop this green chilies, and then you can crush the garlic. So here it is, the sliced capsicum, chilies, garlic, and we need around 2 whole big onions for this recipe. Here is 2 tablespoons of oil. We'll add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and little bit of ajwain, that is carom seeds, that is 1/4 teaspoon of carom seeds. These are the main ingredients of this recipe. We'll also add some curry leaves. I love the flavor of curry leaves, so I always use more. You can use less or more, it's up to you. Then we will add our garlic. Once the mustard taste gets splitter, say it's getting splitter, now we'll add our capsicum. Capsicum is such a thing that it is always tasteless, but you have to give them taste with all these aromatic flavors. Give a mix. Now we'll add our green chilies. Let's mix this nicely so that green chilies also get combined together with these flavors. Now we'll add our sliced onions to this. And fry them nicely till it becomes soft. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 tablespoon of homemade Kitchen King masala powder. So if you don't have any homemade powder, you can always buy of Everest Kitchen King masala powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. This is also homemade. You can check my recipe. And we'll add salt to taste. Let's mix this. We'll also add little bit of asafida, that is our hing. So I'm taking around 1/4 teaspoon of hing. It's very essential, all these things, when you are making some vegetables like dudhis, bottle gourd or pumpkins. Example, dudhi is pumpkin, and there are many vegetables where you need to add asafida, that is hing. Let's mix this nicely. Now we'll add our cooked or boiled dudhi, that is red pumpkin. And we'll now mix this all together. We'll cover this and cook this for a few minutes. So after 5 minutes, let's add our grated coconut to this. So I'm adding 1 big tablespoon of grated coconut and whole Kashmiri chilies, like around 2. So just use it whole. Cover this and simmer it for few minutes. After few minutes, you can see the coconut is also cooked. So the vegetable is ready to serve. So So if you want more dry, then leave it open, and if you want gravy, then this much is done. Little gravy is there, so you can eat it along with bread or rice also. I just love to eat this Dudhi Bhaji with plain rice. So today we are going to have some of this food, and it's all veg. So this is bottle gourd also I'm cooking over here. White rice and our dal. So here it is. Hope you all will enjoy this Goan Dudhi with capsicum. Try this recipe, make this recipe. See, I'm eating. It's nicely cooked and it is delicious. Yum, it is yum. मानता तुमी सगळ्यां ही करून खातली आनी तुमकां ही आवडटली आनी तुमी मागीर ट्राय करात. Try this recipe and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching and keep commenting. Thank you. देव बरें करूं.